I am Dr. Arun Sharma, working as Senior Consultant Neurosurgeon at Indian Spinal Injury Center. Today we are going to discuss about brain tumors. What is a tumor? A tumor is an abnormal growth of cells which can arise anywhere in the body. And a tumor arising in the brain is known as brain tumor. Why is brain tumor so important? And it creates a tremor, a dread in all patients and all human beings who hear of brain tumors. Brain is the engine of the human being, and if anything wrong goes with it, the whole human body goes into disarray. Brain tumors can be benign, malignant, or they may arise from metastasis, that means a tumor in another part of the body which is carried away to the brain, and there it generates a new tumor of the cells which are there in the tumor in the other part of the body. Benign tumors. Benign tumors are usually non-cancerous, and the majority of the brain tumors are benign in nature. That means they are slow growing and not very aggressive in growth. Second is malignant tumors. They are cancerous, they grow very fast, they are very aggressive in growth, and they cannot be surgically cured fully. And if we see what symptoms they can generate in the body, all tumors can cause seizures, that is fits, severe headache to mild headache, neurological deficit in the form of weakness of legs or limb, or deterioration of sight, vision. All this can arise because of the tumors. Now, how do we investigate about these brain tumors? We can investigate by doing CT scan of brain, MRI, including contrast MRI, PET scan, which can detect the presence of tumor in the brain and its metastasis in another part of the body. Or we can do MRI spectroscopy, which can tell us this can highlight the differences in the tumors in the brain, which can reveal whether the tumor is cancerous, non-cancerous, or the space occupying lesion is because of some infection, tuberculosis, or something else. Then how do we treat these brain tumors? These benign tumors, after investigation, if it is benign and in an accessible location, craniotomy can be done, that is opening of the skull, and the tumor can be removed. And if it is accessible and in a location and is not very huge in size and not deep seated, it can be usually removed completely, and after removing this, we can be sure that it should not recur in most of the cases, and we should think that it has been completely cured. If the tumor is located in a deep location, then we can go in for a biopsy. The biopsy can be done by craniotomy, open biopsy, or with the help of the advanced techniques such as stereotaxy or neuronavigation. The biopsy can be done with the help of a simple, very small hole. These techniques guide us to reach and target the tumor location, take a biopsy, and on histopathological examination, whatever it reveals, the subsequent treatment can be started. If it comes out to be a tumor, then we can subject the patient to radiotherapy or chemotherapy, which may be effective in deep-seated tumors which are not amenable to surgical excision. In case of malignant tumors which are fast growing, these tumors can be surgically excised or debulked to the maximum extent possible surgically, and after the histopathological examination which confirms the malignant nature of the tumor, this radiotherapy and chemotherapy can be started. This radiotherapy can be in the form of this gamma knife or cyber knife. This cyber knife and gamma knife is a focused beam of radiation directly on the tumor, and it doesn't harm the rest of the tumors. In case of very small tumors less than 2.5 centimeters located in a critical location, either malignant or benign, directly we can give radiotherapy in the form of gamma knife or cyber knife, which are very helpful in making the tumor dormant and reducing its size. The brain tumor can be surgically excised completely in safe hands with the help of advanced surgical techniques and gadgetry. Thank you all for listening to my talk on this brain tumors.